Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you about this 24M Northwood Nash. It's a great floor plan, really great length range, and it still hits that really nice weight range point as well. You're actually looking at a grand total fully laden, a GVWR of 7,000 pounds. So this can really tow by quite a bit of stuff, packing quite a bit in it as well. So Nash, made by Northwood's local company, the Grand Oregon. They don't travel very far to get here, so they're a true Pacific Northwest trailer made in the Pacific Northwest. Some of the best insulation and construction in the industry. I'm going to walk you some of the features that really set it apart. So we walk around the front, your pass-through storage here, really nice. You have your magnetic latches there too. Great pass-through storage. You see some set of equipment there. That is a rack for, it's a utility rack. There's a little bike rack there. There's also a little rack there for actually setting in a outdoor barbecue. And that all fits on this rail on the side right here. The outdoor barbecue works off your quick connect for your liquid propane. You just plug it in, it's right underneath. You just plug that in and it actually feeds off your propane that's on that tongue too. Right in that interior storage there is also a battery cutoff switch. Makes it really easy to just kill the power all in one go, instead of having to, when you store it, remove all your leads from your battery so they don't passively drain and kind of reduce their capacity. You might notice it's a little bit higher of a chassis. They build, the Northwood products build all of their own chassis themselves, and each one of their floor plans is designed specific for each chassis. So they're really well balanced, they ride really well. They're also off-road chassis. They design these, not only the chassis, but all the interior, so that you can actually take these wherever you want to go, and you won't really have any problems at all. Really great suspension there as well, high off-roading as well. You have a huge awning that takes up pretty much the entire length of that 24-foot span. And if you keep going around the trailer as well, some other features that really set it apart. They come with the receiver hitch right here. You have a really nice, so you have that really big chassis and really burly. There's a lot of stuff you can actually put on it. So if you want to put a bike rack, or if you want to even go a little bit farther and add some sort of like fold down rack on there and put a lot of weight there, it's really easy to do with this chassis. You have a walk-on roof, and your roof ladder right there to check your seals, your gaskets. Also check on that solar panel that's up there on top of your AC unit that's trickle charging your batteries. Well, let's go inside and check out the floor plan. Right off the bat, you'll notice it's a rear bathroom unit. Big rear bathroom. The shower is huge in this thing. And what you have right here also is a self-squeegeeing screen that comes in. Super durable. Super durable on that too. Great light coming in from that skylight, and as well as the closet storage just beside the bed. You have a ton of hanging space and linen space. So if you're making some travels that are going to take you for a week long or even cross country, this has the capacity to do it. Right off the entry here, pantry space, full top to bottom. Really nice hardware in your cupboards. These knot holes come right out of the trees. They're not printed on. Solid wood for all the cabinetry as well. Some of the best kind of solid and sturdy cabinetry in the industry. Machine aluminum stays behind every single cabinet too, so you're not just drilling into the substrate of the wall. You actually have some really great stability in these things. Really great double basin stainless steel sink. Great hardware and stainless steel for your stovetop too. They upgraded the size of the refrigerator, so you're looking at a bigger refrigerator as well. And in the main space too, you have your dinette, which is opposed to your secondary seating, your couch, and this couch does jackknife flat and turn into a bed. It's as simple as that. Plus you have all the storage up top, across the board above your dinette, and they don't stop there. They keep giving you some extra storage. This even has hanging rail already in it too. Really nice, solid construction for all of your drawers and all the hardware in them as well. Now, if you go into the bedroom, so this unit, even though it's a 24-foot floor plan, 2 doors, which is a big rarity for sure. and you still have all your storage here. This is for folding. The other side actually has the shelves intact, but the shelves can be moved out, and they actually have a hanging rack there as well. USBs and 110s on either side of the bed to plug in anything you need and have it at hand. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer we have on lot, drop me a line, 773-655-7190, or stop by my lot and say hello.